From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 65. Today's grammar pattern is のはだ、のはです。We use のはです or のはだ when we want to say what something is or emphasize one particular thing. It is similar to the thing that A is B. What A is B. It is A that B. I will show you one example. When studying Japanese, the most difficult thing is kanji. What A is B. 日本語を勉強するとき、一番難しいのは漢字です。So the part before のは describes the thing, and the part after のは tells us what that thing is. So when studying Japanese, the most difficult thing, that is kanji. What A is kanji. So here is the grammar pattern. You can use verbs, adjectives, and nouns before のは. But when you use na-adjectives and nouns, you need to have na before のは. So be careful when you use them. And the later part, you can use nouns or adjectives. Two more example sentences. What I like most is taking a hot spring bath. What A is B. 一番好きなのは温泉に入ることです。What A is B. So once again, the part before のは describes the thing, and the part after のは tells us what that thing is. What A is B. One more example. What is especially important in this job is listening carefully to customers. What A is B. この仕事で特に大切なのはお客さんの話をよく聞くことです。What A is B. There is na here because 大切 is na adjective. のはです is used to highlight one particular thing as important. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Translate the sentences into Japanese. So take your time, stop the video, and when you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. The most difficult thing about living abroad is getting used to a different culture. 海外で生活するときに一番難しいのは違う文化に慣れることです。What A is B. So in this case, A is this part, the most difficult thing about living abroad. 海外で生活するときに一番難しいのは that is A. So what A is B. Getting used to a different culture. 違う文化に慣れることです。Next sentence. The most important thing when working in a team is communicating well. チームで働くとき、一番大切なのはしっかりコミュニケーションを取ることです。What A is B. So explaining what A is in detail. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 海外で生活するときに一番難しいのは違う文化に慣れることです。チームで働くとき、 一番大切なのはしっかりコミュニケーションをとることです。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. There are two sentences I'd like you to translate. It might be a little difficult and challenging, but 頑張ってください。今日もみんなありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。